Okay guys, I am going to teach you guys on how to embed in with dynamic link updating spreadsheet data via data itself, tables, charts, and then also Google drawings as well, which is going to be super useful in Microsoft Word. So let's begin. So I'm going to create a new file, and I am going to we are going to do spreadsheet, a spreadsheet table. We're going to do spreadsheet chart, and we're also going to do a Google drawing. Okay, and I'm going to save this in our Dropbox. So under all documents, MS Office examples. And I'm going to call this embedding chart and drawings example as a docx. Okay, it's pretty simple. These two are nearly identical. This is really kind of A1 and A2, while Google Drawing is a little different, so I'll call them B1. So let's go to my example Gantt chart here that I've been working on for fun, and I am going to just simply copy this portion because that's the part that I'm interested in embedding in my document. So I highlight it as normal, hit copy, and the magic sauce is here. So you want to go to home, paste the arrow, not paste. You want to do paste special, which is Control-Alt-V. And here, instead of doing a regular paste, which is insert the contents of the clipboard, you want to click paste link. You notice the icon changes. It goes, paste link creates a shortcut to the source file. Changes to your source file will be reflected in your document. So because I want to have a lot of power here, I want to still keep it as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object, and then I go ahead and then I paste it right then and there. Okay, let's do the chart. Let's go back here, select the chart, go up here and copy it, or Control-C, go back to my Word file, and again, paste special. I'm going to select a Microsoft Excel chart object once again, because that's what I'm most familiar with, and make sure this is the secret sauce, magic link or paste link. You want to create the shortcut to the source file, and you hit OK. So I'm going to save my file, and I'm going to close it, and just take a notice here. So right now, drawing, the duration is 44 days, and release, the duration is 55 days. And you notice that the chart is big red line and big purple line. So I'm going to close Microsoft Word. I'm going to go back to Excel. Hell, I'll close that too, just for fun. And then I will go back to my example, and I'm going to switch that to 8 days. I'm going to make the beta 5 days. And you notice that the chart has been drastically changed. So I hit save. So maybe that's like Jacob or Ted or whoever changes that. The file can be open or closed, but we will close it for now because we don't need it. I will go back to Microsoft Word, open it up, and now it gives me this prompt. This document contains links that may refer to other files. Yes, I want to update the link. And you hit that, and bam, our tables and charts have been updated. Now, supposedly there is a way to make it so that you don't need that prompt. I will show you how to do it. However, it only works 50% of the time for me. So if you go to the Office button, you go all the way down to Word Options, then the 5th button here on the left is Advanced, and you scroll down to General. You see how it says Update Automatic Links at Open? I have it checked. For some reason, it doesn't do it automatically. It still prompts me. You can check that and see if that works for you. Okay, now let's scroll down and do the Google Drawing. So, Google Drawings. This is our simplest and very elegant way of doing drawings, and for things like any organizational charts or game flows. So I have this example of A and B over here. How does this work? Well, this is a Google document, but you need to publish it to the web. So you go to File, Publish to the Web, and in this case, I've already published it. Pick something small or medium, large if you're going to print it, and then you just simply copy this link, Control-C to copy, go back to your file, and you insert an image almost the same way as you normally do, with one simple exception, very critical exception. You click on Insert, go to Picture, and paste the URL in the file name. And now here's the magic sauce. You see this arrow to the right of the insert within the insert button? You need to click this. It's going to take a few minutes to think. And you want to do Insert and Link. That is the most important thing. You click that. It'll take a few more seconds to link it up through the web. And there is our Google drawing. Now, I will once again save this file. I will close this file. I will go back to my test drawing game flow, and I'm going to change things around. I'm going to make a C. I'm going to make a C node here. And just for fun, also connect it to B to C. Make that arrow. Oops, delete that. And make that called C. Now, well, you don't have to save it because, as you see, all changes have been saved in Drive. So I go back to my Word, embedding chart objects example, and it may or may not prompt me. It'll probably prompt me. I hit yes, and there we are. And that's how you embed spreadsheet tables, charts, and drawings dynamically. Thanks for watching.